So special thanks to this company for sending me their multi-function vegetable cutter, stainless steel panel, healthy material. Enjoy your life with delicious food. Sharp blades and your washing temperatures. Same picture there. This is the white version. They also have a black one. Vegetable cutter. Nothing on the bottom and just vegetable cutter on the top. So let's take this on out. That's it for the box. All right, so it comes with a nice little instruction guide to kind of tell you what everything is and exactly how it all goes together. Let's take everything here. Look at that. Little brush. This most likely is for cleaning it. You also get this nice little container. Looks like this is to set it in. And then here is the main device. So you kind of take this and put it in there like so. There we go. Bingo. Then we need our chute here. So this part just slides down into here. Bingo. And then you're able to use this little item to put your fruit in, and then as you're slicing the fruit, you're able to push more in with this. But very nice. It's very just quick. Bam, 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 bam. Let's take a look at some of the other little parts here. These are the other blades. So it looks like these blades literally are able to just slide in here. So yeah, you take this, slide it in there like so, and then they're slicing again. And there's also this one. They're all very sharp. That is essentially the unboxing of this vegetable cutter. It has a stainless steel panel, and really the build quality and plastic all feel very good. Like, it's not cheap plastic, it's good, strong plastic that you shouldn't have to worry about breaking even as you're trying to, you know, take a pickle and put it through there and slice it. Very nice product. 2 thumbs up. Again, special thanks to the company for sending it out to me to make a video for everyone. And I think that will do it for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.